everybody, welcome to another episode of Drinking with Mike. And today I'm going to show you a couple simple margarita recipes. All you need is tequila, triple sec, and lime juice for the first one. And I will call this first one the 2-1-1 margarita. And the reason I call it the 2-1-1 margarita is because it's 2 ounces of tequila, 1 ounce of triple sec, and 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice, which I've already done. So we'll go ahead and we'll start prepping. And basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a chilled rocks glass. If you wanna line the glass with salt, I use coarse kosher salt. So what you're gonna do is just gonna sprinkle some on a plate. All right, kind of spread it around. And then you're gonna take a lime wedge and you're just gonna rim the glass. And then you turn the glass upside down and you're just gonna run it in the salt. And that's gonna be your salt on the rim of your glass. And now, as I said, I call this the 2-1-1 margarita. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your shaker glass, you're gonna throw some ice in it, and then the ratio is 2-1-1, so 2 ounces of tequila, all right, 1 ounce of triple sec, and 1 ounce of freshly squeezed limes, which I went ahead and I already did it so that I could see actually how much lime juice I could get out of a lime. And that's it. And what you're gonna do, you're just gonna shake it up. Do that for about 20 to 30 seconds. And then take a glass full of ice and basically you strain it into your glass. And then you garnish it with a lime wedge. Not the prettiest, but it'll do. And there you go, the 2-1-1 margarita. Pretty good. All right, now the recipe for the second one is gonna be tequila, freshly squeezed lime juice, and then it calls for simple syrup. However, I'm gonna try something different. I found some lavender syrup, which is made with pure cane sugar and natural lavender flavor. And I figured that might be a little something different, a different taste to the margarita. So we are gonna go ahead and give that a try on this one. So once again, we'll go ahead and prep the glass and we'll just take the same lime wedge I used last time and we'll just rim the glass. And then I still got my plate of salt. All right, get some salt on here. There you go. And then we'll just set that off to the side. We don't need the triple sec for this one. All right, it's got my old-fashioned limer here, or my old-fashioned juicer, seeing how much juice I got out of the lime. And I get about 1 ounce out of a lime. So this recipe, it calls 2 ounces of tequila, 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice, and then 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. So, I enjoy the lime flavor, so I'm probably just gonna squeeze a lime. So we'll just say 1 lime juice. Now that should be about 1 ounce. And then, since I'm using lavender syrup instead of simple syrup, I'm just gonna do 1/2 ounce so that the flavor is not overwhelming. You know, I still wanna get the traditional margarita flavor with just a hint of the floral of the lavender. I'll just pour it in here for good measure, see how much I got. And yep, we're right at just under an ounce on this one. So we should be good. And then we're ready to go. So we'll take some ice, put it in our shaker again, take our 2 ounces of tequila. 1, 2. And then we have our lime juice, freshly squeezed. I'm sure you can use the stuff from the little plastic limes you get at the grocery store, but since it's Cinco de Mayo, it's a special day, I'm gonna use freshly squeezed limes. And then, once again, this right here is where you would use a simple syrup, 3/4 of an ounce, but I'm gonna try to mix it up, and I'm only gonna use 1/2 ounce of this lavender syrup. Hopefully it gives it a nice florally flavor and doesn't really change the flavor a whole lot, but we'll see, you know. I'm all about experimenting, you know, trying to get the perfect margarita. And so, got everything in our shaker. Shake it up for about 20 to 30 seconds again. And then we're gonna pour it into, ice is sticking in my hands because they're wet. We're gonna pour it into another glass of ice. All right. Then you take the lime wedge and you garnish it. And we'll call this one the Lavender Margarita. It's not bad. If you like florally drinks, I think you'll like it. But it's not overwhelming. And it's a little bit different. It's just something different, another twist on a classic margarita. So I hope you enjoyed this. Once again, just trying to get this out there, show you a couple simple margarita recipes. Maybe you can enjoy them tonight for Cinco de Mayo. Go ahead and like this video if you enjoyed these recipes. And if you want to subscribe to get notified of the future, our future recipes that we come out with, go ahead and ring the bell. And if you have your own margarita recipe that you want us to try or that you enjoy, that you think is the best, put it down in the comments below and let us give it a try and let all our viewers give it a go. So once again, thank you for watching and have a happy Cinco de Mayo.